We're going on another duck hunt this afternoon. Hoping for a good one. We need a good one.
Safety first.
Let's get some ducks.
Safety first.
Oh, yeah, buckle up for safety. Clicker to ticket. It's Kansas law. We're at the marsh, and we're gonna get loaded up here and head out to the spot. Hoping for a good one today. There's a lot of deer hunters out. I think rifle season opened today. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I don't know how many hunters will be out here today. It's a Wednesday afternoon, and rifle season for deer just opened, so I've got no clue what the heck the situation is. For everybody who asks, this is a Kicks High Flyer modified choke. You can get one of these barrel stickers at mallardwackeroutfitters.com. And this is a Benelli Supernova. And the shells I shoot are just the Winchester Super X, nothing special. I don't believe in those fancy shells. They all kill the birds the same. We are walking to the blind. Let's go and get things all set up and kill some ducks. All right, we've got the decoy ducks. We got the decoy set up. We're gonna go sit down and kill some ducks. Let's get in the blind. Shoot that bird on the water. That's all right. Killed him. One shot, one kill. How's the head? Kill him. I got the left one. Kill him. Got it, kid. It was the first time. On my way. We got a limit. We limited it out. We just shot a limit of mallards, boys and girls. I know girls watch these videos. Shout out to my grandma. So yeah, this was a good day. I think we definitely got a push of birds in the past couple days. Tons of mallards. We saw some pintails. I shot a pintail hen.
All night.
Yeah, we're getting all this fun stuff.
We got some birds over there, got some more birds over there.
Any of those pintails? All mallards, bro. This is freaking wild. First limited mallards of the year. Tons of mallards, man. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm getting video of these.
Did you see him?
We're gonna pack up decoys and get out of here. Green, baby, green. That's how we do. Sometimes. We got a good push of birds, so should be some good stuff coming out here pretty soon. Mallards, bro. We're walking out right now. We got a little bit of a walk ahead of us. It's well worth it. But we'll recap this when we get back. This hunt was awesome. Like, there's no other way of putting it than we shot a limit of mallards. So you can't really complain with a limit of mallards on your game strap. There were some things that we could have done better today. And I like to take the end of these videos to go over things that we could have done differently to make our hunt better. There's a couple things that I know for sure we could have done better. One of them, we were struggling at the very beginning to find cover. We could not find a place to make a blind or just sit in a bunch of brush to not be seen. And it took us a good 20 minutes to figure that out. We had a spot like right in front of us where we had good cover, but behind us there was nothing. So we moved a little bit to the right and we had back cover and front cover, and it seemed to work out pretty well. Another thing is our shots were a little farther than I like. I like to shoot them within about 20 yards, but these were about 35, 30-yard shots. Still made the shots, but we were ending up having to shoot birds on the water after we knocked them out of the air. Not something I really like. I like to shoot them within about 20, 25 yards. That way I can just, boom, one shot, they're dead. And I really don't like chasing birds around, but we did that today. And the last thing for this hunt was my GoPro. I have a GoPro Hero 5 and a GoPro Hero 3. I bought the Hero 5 last week. I was like, all right, I'm going to get this Hero 5. It's going to be doing better video than the Hero 3. It's going to be awesome. I go to put the Hero 5 on the GoPro stick, and the image is just washed out completely white. I have no clue why it did that. I wanted to turn it on to Pro Tune so then I could edit or set the settings to. I knew what the problem was. It was overexposed, so I needed to bump the shutter speed up to be faster, so then it would be exposed properly. But turning it to Pro Tune would waste the battery life, and I would only get like an hour of footage on that GoPro. And I didn't know how long we'd be shooting. We had about 2 hours. And that's all I can really get on that 32 gigabyte memory card. Looking at it now, we shot all these ducks within 1 hour. So I should have done that, but you live and you learn. I should have just stuck with the Hero 3 all the way through that hunt. So from now on, if my GoPro starts doing that, I'm just going to put the other one up. But thankfully, Justin had his camera with him, and we got some good footage on that. That's all that I got to say about this hunt. I mean, it was perfect. Other than not being able to find cover, it was perfect. We had birds working everywhere. It was just awesome. It's one of those hunts that everybody wants to go to the marsh and experience, but not a lot of people get to. I mean, we had groups of like 30 mallards just. It was wild. Hopefully we can get back out there later this week and kill some more birds. This weekend's gonna probably be nuts out there. It always is, but we'll just have to see what this week has in store for us. And you bet your butt we'll be making videos. Leave me a thumbs up. Let me know that you like this video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It means a lot when you guys do that. You'll stay updated on when I post videos. And check out our website, which is MallardsWhackerOutfitters.com. We've got a bunch of content on there, photos from our hunts, you name it. That's all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.